everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for June and it's not a box this month, it is a bag, and this is a Look Fantastic, a beauty bag. This is what it looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So before I open it and show you what's inside, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about the subscription. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in June's subscription, as I always do, I'll pop a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. All links and everything mentioned in this video I'll pop down below, so underneath this video see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. And before I begin, I just want to say that the reason you are seeing this super early is because I'm on Look Fantastic's PR list. So they kindly send me their monthly subscription boxes so I can show you and tell you all about it so that you can make up your minds if it's a box for you or not. So then, Look Fantastic do a monthly subscription box. It ships worldwide and it costs £15 a box. Now inside contains 6 beauty products and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, and we've had some beauty tools as well. The items that you receive tend to be more skincare heavy comparing to other subscription boxes, and being a subscriber for many years now and I still keep my subscription running. I take out a 12-month subscription with Look Fantastic, so instead of paying £15 a month I now pay £13 a month, and the reason I keep my subscription running and receive the PRs is because I keep my subscription boxes to give as giveaways on my Instagram or my Facebook pages, or to give to gifts to my friends and family. So yeah, so I keep that running and I have it at a reduced cost. As far as sizes go in this box, we tend to have travel sizes, minis and full size. We rarely have any samples, and the value of the box comes to at least £50 or more per month. Sometimes, I think it was last month's box was like £140 the value, which is crazy. But yeah, so it varies. Look Fantastic's May subscription box is already sold out. You are not able to get this until June. However, you are able to pre-order it now. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to opening up and show you what you got inside. So this is how it arrives in the box that is sent through the post. There is no booklet, and I'll just read you the little message, what they've said here. To our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you all love the products in this box. Back. With everything that's going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we will bring the printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for your continued support, the beauty box team. Now, I recently received a limited edition box from them, a Ren Clean Skincare Beauty box, which is amazing. There was no leaflet in there, and in the lid of the box they had a QR code, so you were able to scan it. So I did that in my video, so then I was able to flick through the leaflet that you'd normally find quite easily, and it tells you everything about the products and it gives you the price as well, so you're able to gauge a value of everything that you receive. So I haven't got that information to hand because this is super early being sent to me. So I've had a look online and I found some information out about the products, so I'm able to give you a rough estimate of the prices and yeah, tell you a little bit about them. I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous. It is so lovely. It's got Look Fantastic beauty box written on it and it's clear. So it's a really nice bag, just like a packing cube, So the first item is a everything mask by Josh Wood Colour, and we've got 30 mils here. So it's a hair mask. Apply to damp washed hair, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Looking up online, you can buy 140 mils for about £15, £15 to £20 from like different websites. So you're talking about say £3.50, £4 for this little mini size. I've never tried this. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I really like the sound of it because it's fade slowing, hair glossing, deep conditioning, locks in colour and shine, suitable for all hair colours, and they recommend that as soon as you have freshly dyed hair, you apply this to your hair to lock in the pigment and then to use it once or twice a week thereafterwards. So I'm really excited to give this a go. Look forward to seeing what this is like after I colour my hair next. So we've got a hair mask. Next we got a hairbrush, and I'm assuming it's a hairbrush. It looks like one of those detangler hairbrushes that you can get. Look at it. and this is by the brand Glove. We've had a few items from the brand Glove in different subscription boxes, and the items I've tried are the cleansing cloths, the really soft, gorgeous cleansing cloths. But I can't find any information about this, so I don't know if it's a new product ready to be launched or not. But yeah, it's got Glove written on it, so it is from that brand. But I don't know anything about it, sorry. So we've got a brush. Next we got our sneak peek from last month, and this is Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel, made in England, and this is 100 mils. This is gorgeous. I've had this before. I think I've had it a few times. It is so nice. Yes, lovely. Oh, it's just so nice. Molten Brown bath and shower gels are gorgeous. They are really, really lovely, and they linger on your skin for a long time afterwards. So yeah, I really do like them. To buy the full size version, which is 300 mils, it'll cost you around £22. So even though my maths is not my strongest point at all, looking at around what, £8, £7, £8 for this. So this is a travel size, and you can actually buy them at this size as well. So yes, we got a Molten Brown bath and shower gel. Next we've got Suntan Lotion, and this is by Polar, and this is a sun lotion, very high protection. We've got 20 mils here, and this is 50 plus, and it's UVA and UVB, which is brilliant. And it says here fragrance free, and I'll have a little read on the back. So I've had a look online, and to buy the full size version, which is 50 mils, it would cost you around £19. So you're looking at around £8–9 for this 20 mil size. And can I tell you anything else about it? This lotion helps fight against sunburns and premature aging. Invisible formula, apply generously before exposure, reapply frequently, dermatologist tested, fragrance and alcohol free for sensitive and skin irritant skins. And what? Not skin irritant skins, sun intolerant skins. Oh, dyslexia got the better of me there. Never mind. Right, let's try it on my hand, see what that is like. No, it's nice. It's nice and lightweight. It's not too greasy. It's not too thick. That's lovely. That is really nice. Smell? Not really. Not really. Well, it says it's fragrance free, isn't it? So we've got a sun protection. And lastly, we've got a lip protection, and this is Ultra Sun SPF 30, and it's lip protection and care. This is obviously full size, and to buy it will cost you £6. It contains an ingredient called blackcurrant seed oil. It reduces inflammation and chapping, but also moisturising dry lips as well. I've used them on and off, but I tend to forget to use them, and it's something you need to use, especially if you're in a hot country and you know you might burn those lips, which is not great. But also it can cause like pigmentation and things as well, can't it, around your lips? So no, I'm really happy to have this. Not that I'm going anywhere extremely hot this year, but you never know. The UK seems to be heating up every year. It seems to be going up a notch in temperature. Who knows, who knows. So we got a SPF 30 lip balm by Ultra Sun. And lastly, we got a face mask, and this is by the brand Shangpri, and this is an aroma blend calming mask, and it contains everlasting flower water, chamomile oil and neroli oil. And this is a Korean face mask brand that combines skincare and aromatherapy in one. So having a look online, you can buy a pack of 10 of these for £25. So it works out to be £2.50. Am I right there? I think so. So it's £2.50 a mask. I suppose if you were to buy it individually, the price would increase more. So can I tell you anything else about it on the back? This relaxing mask calms and soothes your skin, revealing healthier and softer skin. And then it just tells you in picture form how to apply it, and leave it on 10 to 20 minutes and massage the remaining essence back in. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up. So the cost of the box is £15, adding up the costs of the items that I was able to find online. So that's everything besides the bag and the brush here. It roughly comes to just over £30, so under the average value of £50 plus. But again, I need to wait really until I have the leaflet before I can actually put the definite price down, but which I will do. I'll pop it in the description when I have it. But what are my thoughts? I love the colours. I love the colour scheme for one. They've really thought about it. I really like the fact that we've got a bag as well instead of a box. It's very summery. This would make a great like weekend away or night away or beach trip, you know, essentials. Maybe not the shower gel, but then you would. If you're using a shower cubicle or something, then you would take it, wouldn't you? A calming mask to use after you've been out in the sun. You've got a hairbrush to brush your hair. Put conditioner in your hair, use the brush to tie it back tight in a bun so that you don't wreck it in the sea or in the sun. You've got SPF for your face, for your lips. You've got a hair mask to protect your hair as well. And you know, I really like it. I was really shocked this morning when I received it. I was thinking, oh, what a lovely idea. And then I realised it's actually June's subscription. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed with it. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you subscribed to Look Fantastic? Are you looking forward to receiving this in June? Or are you thinking, I'm not a subscriber, I'm not really sure what I want to do, it's okay, but you're not wowed by it, or you love it? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.